What's for dinner, man?
You've got just had water chicken curry here and foolproof rice, but we're about to prove them wrong.
Are we? Excellent.
Yeah. I also double as the diesel mechanic as well.
Very good. And we've had a good day.
Yeah, I've had a good day. We've had a listing boat and an irritating D-string.
Down at the shield, with the floor of nuts and needles. That's where I take my baby when we lie down. White on birds and leatherheads. That's where we make our bed. Somewhere where it's cool in the midday sun. We'll take our time, fruit juice and wine. Baby, take a little walk with me, there's no need to run. You just turn on your radio, pick a tune that's sweet and slow. Take it with us when we go walking to the shield. Down at the shield, hiding incognito. Shadows through the needles, they kiss her skin. No need for moving, the smell is so soothing. When the world is busy, nobody can find you there. We'll take our time, fruit juice and wine. Baby, take a little walk with me, there's no need to run. You just turn on your radio, pick a tune that's sweet and slow. Take it with us when we go walking to the field. Take our time, the fruit juice and wine. Baby, take a little walk with me, there's no need to run. You just turn on your radio, pick a tune that's sweet and slow. Take it with us when we go walking to the shield. Baby, turn on your radio, pick a tune that's so sweet and slow. Take it with us when we go walking to the shield. You go to an island in the sea. The traffic birds circle overhead. The fruit just falls down from the tree. So I'll take my time, but I'll keep in mind it's where I'm going to. It might be hard sometimes, but I'll keep in mind the compass showing me the way to the island. Well, I've seen old men who are going there, planning arms under their weight. Favorite boats underneath their arms, 'cause death is an ocean, not a lake. So I'll take my time, but I'll keep in mind it's where I'm going to. It might be hard sometimes, but I'll keep in mind the compass showing me the way to the island. Some pain, but the same old games are being played out there. Well, there's plenty of time for surfing and just singing songs out there. Out to the island. When you die, well, I've heard it said, you go to an island in the sea. The traffic birds circle overhead. The fruit just falls down from the tree. So I take my time, but I'll keep in mind it's where I'm going to. It might be hard sometimes, but I'll keep in mind the compass showing me the way to the island, the way to the island, the way to the island, the way to the island.